Consider one example on Twiddle factor. Show that summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 wn power kn is also equal to n delta of k. Let us prove this. We'll consider the LHS, that is summation n is equal to 0 n minus 1 wn power kn. I will represent this as summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 wn power k power n, which is same as k into n. Now in this equation, if we consider k is equal to 0 in this equation, we can get summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 wn power 0, because k is 0, power n, which is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So wn power 0 is 1 power n. N is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power n is nothing but adding 1 n times. So the result of this will be n. So now we'll consider the another case where k is not equal to 0. In first case we consider k is equal to 0. Now we'll consider if k is not equal to 0 in the same expression. So I will consider the same equation, that is summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 wn power k into n. So this is nothing but, we know that summation n is equal to 0 to n, alpha power n is 1 minus alpha power n plus 1 divided by 1 minus alpha. If we compare this expression with this, so here alpha is equivalent to wn power k, that is 1 minus wn power k raised to n plus 1. So here n is nothing but n minus 1 plus 1 will be n. So I can represent it as power n divided by 1 minus wn power k, which is equal to 1 minus wn power n into k divided by 1 minus wn power k. So here I can write it as 1 minus wn power n into k divided by 1 minus wn power k. We know that wn power n value is always equal to 1. Therefore 1 power for all values of k, the result will be 1 itself. Therefore it is 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus wn power k, which is equal to 0. That is, for k is not equal to 0. So now we can observe here that when k is equal to 0, the result is n. When k is not equal to 0, the result is 0. Therefore I can write it as summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 wn power kn its value is equal to n if k is equal to 0, that is we got n when k is equal to 0, and its value is 0 when k is not equal to 0. In another words, we can represent it as summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So here we can see that wn power kn can also be represented as n into delta of, here we have used the delta function. The value of delta k is 1 when k is equal to 0. That is, when k is equal to 0, the value of this will be n, and the magnitude of delta at k equal to 0 will be 1. Thus it is proved. This is the result. Thank you for watching.